Happy Veganuary, day 11. Today we're making one of my favorite snacks, caramel corn. Add enough oil to cover the bottom. Pop 125 milliliters of popcorn kernels. So now once your popcorn is done, put it on your silicone mat with your baking sheet. In a small saucepan, mix together 125 milliliters of brown sugar, 65 milliliters of vegan butter. Oopsies. Little extra butter never hurt anyone. 30 milliliters of agave. I used wholesome. I got it from Healthy Planet. 5 milliliters of salt and 1 milliliter of cream of tartar. Put over medium heat, and once you reach to a boil, cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring often with a non-stick spatula and being careful not to burn the sugar. Remove from heat and stir in 1 milliliter of baking soda. Pour the caramel over the popcorn, then stir to coat. Put half a cup of white chocolate. I used Enjoy Light. I microwaved it for 45 seconds, stirring every 15 seconds. And finally, 60 milliliters of peppermint candy goes on top. This is the perfect treat for watching Christmas movies. I don't have a Christmas movie to watch right now, so I'm going to watch Lord of the Rings. There's too many pieces to pick from. That's so good. Oh. Please let me know your favorite movie in the comments below for a chance to win a fun vegan candy giveaway. Thank you. Bye. Oh my god, this is so good.